Hello everyone, welcome back. This video lecture for class 8 subject science chapter number 9 and that is reproduction in animals. So as we all know, for survival of the life we need food, isn't it? Similarly, the different processes which occur in our body like digestion, respiration, excretion, these all processes are essential for the survival of every individual, isn't it? Second thing, we have also learnt about process of reproduction that is occurs in our body, that is also occur in all living organisms. So that is also essential for the continuance of the species. Here one most important thing, that is this process is essential not for only survival of an individual. Suppose if any person is there, suppose any human is there or any animal is there, if in its body reproduction process is not happening, reproduction organs are not available, so it is not necessary that it will be die, है ना, कि that particular फेलो है, जो particular human है या कोई animal है, अगर उसकी बॉडी में reproduction occurs नहीं हो रहा है, that means that is not totally this thing that animal will be die or that fellow will be die, right? क्योंकि रिप्रोडक्शन इंडिविजुअल सर्वाइवल के लिए इसेंशियल नहीं है, बट इट इज़ इसेंशियल फॉर द कंटिन्यूशन ऑफ अ स्पीशीज. द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग दैट उस कंटिन्यूशन स्पीशीज, दैट मीन्स पर्टिकुलर ह्यूमन है, सपोज डॉग है, कैट है, उस स्पीशीज को कंटिन्यूस करने के लिए, उनको नेक्स्ट जनरेशन तक पास आउट करने के लिए रिप्रोडक्शन इसेंशियल है, बट वी कांट से इट इज़ इसेंशियल फॉर द सर्वाइवल ऑफ एन individual, isn't it? So today think for a while, if reproduction in organs will be stopped, what will happen? अगर रिप्रोडक्शन स्टॉप हो जाए तो क्या होगा? ऑब्वियस द स्पीशीज विल एक्सटिंक्ट, वो पर्टिकुलर स्पीशीज धीरे धीरे ख़त्म होती जाएगी. सपोज़ हमने डायनासोर के बारे में बहुत पहले बात की है ना. सो जैसे जैसे डायनासोर स्टॉप होके गए, उनकी बॉडी के पार्ट्स धीरे धीरे हटते गए, रिमूव होते गए, तो वो स्पीशीज धीरे धीरे ख़त्म हो गए. अभी एट प्रेजेंट अर्थ पे डायनासोर्स नहीं दिखते हैं. द रीज़न इज़ दैट स्पीशीज कॉल्ड एक्सटिंक्ट स्पीशीज, जो धीरे धीरे लुप्त हो गई हम बोलते हैं, है ना. सो वी कैन से अगर उनका रिप्रोडक्शन किसी भी स्पीशीज में, पर्टिकुलर पूरी स्पीशीज की बात कर रहे हैं हम, हाँ, अगर किसी भी स्पीशीज में उनका रिप्रोडक्शन स्टॉप होता जाएगा, सो व्हाट विल हैपन वन डे? ऑब्वियस दैट पर्टिकुलर स्पीशीज विल बी ओवर, विल बी एक्सटिंक्ट ऑन दिस अर्थ, will be exist from this earth. Moving further, so in previous class we learned reproduction in plants, है ना. लास्ट क्लास में रिप्रोडक्शन प्लांट्स में रीड कर चुके हैं, बट टुडे वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट रिप्रोडक्शन इन एनिमल्स. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी मस्ट नो व्हाट इज रिप्रोडक्शन. We can say it is defined as the process of producing young ones of the same species is called reproduction. I am repeating the process of reproduction. Like plants, animals also produce, है ना, उनमें भी reproduction होता है. But this process, what is this process known by? This is the process by which न्यू यंग वन, और वी कैन से इन टेक्निकल लैंग्वेज वी कैन से ऑफस्प्रिंग, है ना. अगर न्यू बेबी बॉर्न होता है, अगर न्यू यंग वन क्रिएट होता है, अगर ऑफस्प्रिंग क्रिएट होता है, प्रोड्यूस होता है ऑफ द सेम स्पीसीज, दैट मीन्स अगर ह्यूमन है तो उसको ह्यूमन ही बॉर्न होगा, है ना, गर्ल या बॉय ही बॉर्न होगा. अगर डॉग है तो उसको सेम स्पीशीज, दैट मीन्स डॉग ही बॉर्न होगा. दैट मीन्स उसमें जो बेबीज़ में ऑफ स्प्रिंग में जो भी जेमेट्स आएंगे वो मदर और फादर लाइक मीन्स पेरेंट्स की कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स उसमें दिखेंगे. तो डॉग है तो उसको डॉग ही बॉर्न होगा, है ना. सो वी कैन से दिस इज़ द process of reproduction, or we can say this is the process of producing young ones of the same species is called reproduction. So here we can say like plants, animal, all also produced by sexual or asexual, or we can say there are two modes of reproduction. First one is called sexual and another one we will study about asexual. So very first we will discuss about asexual reproduction. So what is the asexual reproduction? Later on we will discuss on this define. First of all we will understand this image, right? So here as you are able to see, this is the image of hydrilla. This is the image of hydrilla, an organism, we can say it is a lower organism, right? So this is the organism. Here you can see in first picture you are seeing some extra outcome portion is seeing, some outcome organ is seeing in hydrilla. So that is called tentacles. That is called tentacles. Clear? Second one in figure. In second figure you are able to see here. In second figure you are able to see that tentacle जो portion है, this part as you the name that as tentacles, that name sorry that part will turn in bird. उसमें थोड़ा थोड़ा दिख रहा है आपको सेम उसके parent. See this is the parent hydrilla और उसके बॉडी का पार्ट ये इंक्रीज होके सेम कुछ किसके जैसे दिख रहा है, जो ऊपर पार्ट है वैसा ही नीचे पार्ट भी ग्रोन होता हुआ दिख रहा है ना. एंड थर्ड फिगर वी कैन से दिस पार्ट इज इंक्रीज एंड लुक लाइक कार्बन कॉपी, लुक लाइक कैरोन टू पेरेंट प्लांट, पेरेंट ऑर्गेनिज्म. तो पेरेंट ऑर्गेनिज्म से ये सेम ये डिटैच हो रहा है ना, उससे ये पार्ट डिटैच हो रहा है. इन थर्ड नंबर फिगर यू आर एबल टू सी इन थर्ड फिगर दिस पार्ट विच इज इंक्रीज previously in first figure it is named by tentacles. In second figure we can say this part is known as bud, which is little bit increase, little bit produce, little bit growth, है ना, growth is seen. And in third figure it is totally completely growth and detached from the parent organism. And then in fourth figure you are able to see it totally different, it totally separated, parent organism से totally वो separate हो चुका है, अलग हो चुका है. And that another hydrilla is produced, right? So in this reproduction process what occurring, what happening, its offspring is produced from body parts other than reproductive organs. That means इस टाइप के रिप्रोडक्शन में ओनली सिंगल ऑर्गेनिजम्स ही होते हैं, उसमें कोई भी दो ऑर्गेनिजम्स नहीं होते हैं. दिस टाइप ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन इन विच ओनली अ सिंगल पेरेंट इज इन्वॉल्व. इसमें सिर्फ आप देख रहे हैं ना ओनली वन हाइड्रिला इज सीन, राइट? उसमें आउट ग्रोथ ये पोर्शन दिख रहा है, दैट इज इंक्रीज इन सेकेंड फिगर लिटिल बिट, दैट इज नेम्ड बाय बर्ड. इन थर्ड फिगर इट टोटली कार्बन कॉपी, दैट मीन्स कैरोन टू पेरेंट organism or it detached from the parent. And in fourth figure it completely growth, that young one we can say, that offspring we can say. Offspring, that means young one, right? What is the mean by offspring? That is mean by young one. So this young one is totally will be separated by the parent organism like hydrilla. Clear? So now come to the define. It is the process of offspring is produced from body parts other than reproductive organs, or in another words it is, we can say, in this process, in this reproduction process only single parent is involved. That is called asexual reproduction. That is called asexual reproduction, in which only one parent is involved. Fine. Or we can say in this process of, in this type of reproduction, sex cells or gametes are not produced. No fusion of gametes takes place for the production. Means directly पेरेंट प्लांट से ही सेल्स के डिवाइडेशन के थ्रू इसमें अनदर यंग वन, अनदर ऑफस्प्रिंग क्रिएट हो गया, प्रोड्यूस हो गया, उसमें कोई दो पेरेंट की नीड नहीं है. सो सच काइंड ऑफ प्रोडक्शन इज कॉल्ड asexual production. Clear? Moving further, now we can say what are the features of unisexual, what are the features of asexual reproduction. So first of all we can say it is uniparental. That means only one parent is involved in this type of reproduction. Clear what do you mean by uniparental? Uniparental that means unicellular है ना, जिसमें एक ही, uni मतलब one. What does it mean by uni? Uni means one. It means we can say this is the part, or this is the type of production by which only uniparental is needed. That means only one parent is involved. Second thing we can say the offspring produced is clone of parents. What does it mean by clone? What is the mean by clone? We can say clone mean carbon copy, right? What is the mean by clone? That is mean carbon copy. So we can say offspring which is produced by one parent or uniparent parent, that will be say similar to the parent, that will be similar to the parent organism, or that will be clone to of parents, isn't it? Third thing, it is fast mode of reproduction. What is that? It is the fast mode of production. That means it hydrilla, like hydrilla is a unicellular organism. So such type of organism, in such type of organism the reproduction process occurs very fast. Okay, it is not taking a lot of time. So such type of reproduction is fast. Moving further, next point, under the asexual reproduction, first we talked about asexual reproduction, और उसी में ही हम another point will discuss, that is called binary fission. What is that called? That is called binary fission. This point is also, this subtopic is also comes under the asexual reproduction. Now what is the binary? See, very in simple language we can say binary means two. Binary means, in mathematical subjects you have learnt about binary sums. So binary means two, right? And what does it mean by fission? Fission means fertilization, or we can say breakdown, isn't it? That means by single cell or by uniparental, where no involvement of the two parents under the process of reproduction, only uniparental is needed. And under this process the fission which occurs, that is called binary fission, where two daughters cells are split, right? Where two daughters are split. Let us understand the figure. So first of all here is given first parent cell. What is given? That is a parent cell. As you are able to see here in this figure, there is a amoeba cell. This is the amoeba. So we can say amoeba is a unicellular organism, or we can say it is a lower organism. In such type of organisms, the asexual reproduction occurs where no two parents are involved in this type of reproduction. So we can say it is a type of asexual reproduction when a parent cell is split. As you are able to see in this first figure, only, see, first of all here I am drawing, this is the irregular shape of amoeba, right? This is the as we know the amoeba shape is irregular. So अमोइबा में अरेगुलर शेप हमें दिखता है, राइट? अब अमोइबा के सेंटर में वी नो दिस इज द फिगर ऑफ न्यूक्लियस, and remaining all part in structure of cell we already learned the outsider surroundings wall is called cell membrane, है ना? And in mid this the figure is seeing, this is called nucleus, and remaining a part of the nucleus, the remaining part which is bluish like seeing, purplish like seeing, that is nothing as only cytoplasm, right? Cell membrane, outer layer, that is cell membrane, in between this is called nucleus. That black dot is seeing inside of the side of the irregular shape of the amoeba, and a part of nucleus, the remaining part, the remaining bodies which is seeing, that is called cytoplasm, right? सो क्या होता है जनरली, न्यूक्लियस एज यू सीन, ये फर्स्ट वन न्यूक्लियस इज सीन इन अमीबा, राइट, वन न्यूक्लियस इज सीन, एंड लेटर ऑन व्हेन इट इज डिवाइडेड, when it is divided nucleus will turn into two nucleus are seeing in the figure of amoeba. जैसे ही उनमें reproduction process होता है, so where at the time during that process two nucleus will be seen, right, and later on अब two nucleus two bodies में convert हो गया है ना, धीरे धीरे स्ट्रेच हो गई उसकी बॉडी अमोइबा की, एंड दैट विल डिवाइड सिमिलरली स्लोली डिवाइड इन two bodies, right, and same two nucleus are also there, and cytoplasm will be also divides in two bodies. So here we will get two daughter cell. Here very most important thing, that daughter means nothing like son and daughter which happening in humans and animals, isn't it? In amoeba we can say जो दो पार्ट में सेल डिवाइड हो गया, दैट इज नेम, दैट इज इन टेक्निकली लैंग्वेज वी कैन से दैट विल डिवाइड इनटू टू डॉटर सेल्स. Divide will be two daughter cells. Here nothing mean by daughter like daughter and son. उनको इसी नाम से ही हम refer करते हैं कि amoeba will be, as we know it is a unicellular organism, है ना, it is a single cell organism. तो इस सेल में जब सेल डिवाइड होता है, इसमें क्या होता है, सिर्फ सेल होता है ना, सेल, न्यूक्लियस, साइटोप्लाज्म, नथिंग एक्सेप्ट दैट नथिंग, है ना. तो ये सारे उनके बॉडी के जो भी प्रोसेस होते हैं सिर्फ इसी सेल के थ्रू ही होते हैं, isn't it? सो उसमें कोई भी सेक्सुअल जेमेट्स नहीं होते हैं. सो वेयर वी कैन से, हियर वी कैन से नो डॉटर एंड सन प्रोड्यूसेस इन अमोइबा लाइक ऑर्गेनिजम्स, बट जो दो पार्ट में डिवाइड हो गया उसके बॉडी, दैट इज कॉल्ड टू डॉटर सेल्स, isn't it? So definition में देखते हैं क्या है. It is a type of sexual reproduction. कौन से टाइप का sexual reproduction है? Asexual. Where a parent cell splits. Splits means where a parent cell splits. Split means offspring, right? Here splits means offspring. जो उनका offspring है, जो उससे दूसरा बेबी प्रोड्यूस हुआ, that will divide into two daughter cells. That will divide into two daughter cells. सो यहाँ पे आपको एकदम बात ये क्लियर माइंड में बिठानी है, यहाँ पे डॉटर और सन की कोई बात नहीं है. हम उनको टेक्निकली लैंग्वेज में जो उसकी बॉडी से दूसरा रिप्रोड्यूस हुआ पार्ट, दैट इज ऑफस्प्रिंग, दैट विल बी नेम्ड, दैट विल बी रेफर एज टू डॉटर cells. Clear? So here hope so you all have understood what is the binary cell, what is the binary reproduction, है ना. binary fission, that means two breakdowns. एक single body will turn into two breakdowns, or we can say split into two daughter cells, that is called binary fission, where only single parents is involved. Clear? So this is the reason we are keeping this type of fission in under the asexual reproduction, where only single parent is involved and all reproduction process occurs by only single organism. Clear? So hope so to you all have understood today's topic. In next video lecture we will meet with another type of reproduction, that is called sexual. We will discuss in another video lecture about sexual reproduction. Till that, take care. Goodbye.